Welcome to the REI Foundation podcast, where we cover all the steps and strategies to make your real estate dreams a reality. Now your hosts, Jason and Pili.
So do you fix and flip houses or invest in real estate or just want to get started doing so? Well, Alpha Funding has you covered with fast, flexible, and reliable service and rates starting as low as 8.99%. Fast closings, no tax documentation or bank statements required, no prepayment penalties, seasoning, or minimum draw requirements. Alpha Funding, the softer side of hard money. To get yourself pre-approved today, go to alphafunding.com or call 732-657-2014.
Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Real Estate Investing Foundation podcast with Jason and Pili. Today is Foundation Inspection Friday, and I have, oh my goodness, do I have a treat for you folks. I have the amazing Bill Allen with me today. Hi, Bill.
Hey, Pili, how are you? If you see me, I might be blushing a little bit. That was an awesome intro. So every time I get on a call with you, it's like a ray of sunshine. When I get on the call, I can see your face. It's so cool. So if you're not watching this on video, hopefully you guys provide this video. You have to see Pili's face on every podcast.
Thank you, Bill. Now you got me blushing. Bill, the reason why he's so amazing is Bill is a friend of ours and a fellow investor, and he has been key. And when I say key, he's been like an actual key to unlock doors for mine and Jason's businesses. He's an amazing man. So I'm so grateful to have you on. We've had you on twice before. So if you're listening out there, look for Bill Allen back in our historical files and you'll get so much value. I'll actually put the show numbers in the show notes for today. So Bill, let's catch up. How are you and what have you been up to?
I'm doing really well. So I've been up to a lot of things. Right now, I'd say my investment business is going really well. I love it. We're in 3 cities. So a quick background, we're in Pensacola, Florida. We're in Nashville, Tennessee, and Chattanooga, Tennessee. I have a COO that runs the company. So I'm at a point where in my investment career for the company that I work about 2 to 3 hours a week in the business. And he's just amazing. It's been a blessing for me to bring him on and see his growth over the last year and a half. And all that time that we put in the beginning is really paying off now. So I get to do some cool stuff. We're going to Disney World on Saturday for a week where I can just put my phone down and we still make money as a company. It's really amazing. We got some great people working with us. And for everybody that's listening, we wholesale and flip houses. We do about around 200 transactions we've done for the past couple of years in a row. And we'll probably see somewhere around 3 million in gross profit this year. And really our focus is on growing the net and really looking at our profitability as the company this year. We've had our ups and downs. Everything's not perfect. 3 months ago, we had 3 people quit almost at the same time. We're a team of we were about 13 at that time. So if you think about it, three people is like 25% of your company, something like that. So it was rough. But everybody pitched in. We have the right people in the right place, and they pitched in, cross-trained, did other people's jobs as we took our time to hire those replacements. And some of the people that have come in are, doing even better than the people that we lost, who we thought were the best we've ever had. So it's really cool to see kind of the journey and growth of this company, and it's becoming an actual company and not about me anymore. So it's really cool to have that. So
talking about major growth, I mean, you went from 0 to 150 your first year, and then 150, and now you're at 200 something. That's crazy. That's crazy. But let's even look further into the future. What is the big, huge, amazing thing that just happened recently? And if you're following Bill Allen, you already know what it is.
Yeah. So for those of you who don't know, I was one of the mentors and coaches in Justin Williams's programs. So house flipping formula, 6-figure flipping, 7-figure flipping, and 8-figure flipping. And I joined that group as a paying member 4 years ago. That's kind of what got my launch in my business. And what really made it took off was just basically copying and replicating what other people were doing and getting around the right people and getting in the right rooms. So 2 years after, I was a paying member for 2 years, and then Justin asked me to come in and help him continue to grow it. And so I did for the next 2 years. I ended up becoming kind of the COO of the company and running it. And then about a month and a half ago, Justin came to me and said, "Hey, I'm considering selling this company. Are you interested?" And I said, "Yes, I'm interested." At first, I said, "I'm not sure." And then I said, "Well, let me think about this." And we prayed about it and we talked about it, and it just seemed to be the perfect fit for what I want to do and where I want to go. And I love all the people. It's about the people. We have clients and members that I got to know, just like you guys, like everybody. It's just so amazing to be able to take that torch and run with it, and hopefully make it bigger and better. And just like, I don't know. I'm just really excited about everything that's going to happen. So I bought the company. I bought the entire company, all the mastermind groups, all of those things. So I work 2 hours a week in my other business, and I had just so much more time that I said, I need something to do,
Why not buy a whole nother company? And that is amazing. I mean, seriously, guys, if you're listening, House Flipping HQ, House Flipping Formula, 6-figure flipping, 7-figure flipping, 8-figure flipping. These are, I mean, really, you should rename the entire company House Flipping Family. I mean, the friends that Jason and I have made in these companies, Bill included, they're family to us now. These are people that we will always know and treasure, and they have helped us build our business. They have helped us take our businesses to the next level time and time again. So thank you so much for that, Bill.
Yeah, that's awesome. I like that. Okay. So family, I really had to sit down and think about what I wanted this to be when I took over. And, the biggest thing for me was not crazy growth, not turning it into a $100 million company, $200 million company. It was really about the people that are in the program right now and making sure that we are giving the client everything that they need. And because they are family, it's like, it's the kind of people that are there are just, they're family people. It's not this, look how much money I'm making. It's not, look how awesome I am. It's not anything like that. In fact, it's some of the most humble people I've ever met in my life. And those are the people that we want to attract. We want to attract the people that are like us, that we want to spend time with and have like family reunions with 4 times a year,
Yes.
And that's what it's about. It really is. And, oh, by the way, we're also, growing our business by 10, 20, some people 100 times, some people unlimited. Like people have done no deals to do it $1 million in a year or two. It's just amazing to see what some of these people are capable of. And it's all about kind of the love and being around the right people and the giving, all the givers that we have in there. Nobody's a taker. It's all about, and if they're taken right now, it's because they have to. Like they're taking what they need to accomplish what they need done so they can give back to the community, just like you guys are doing with this podcast and everything else that you're doing in the multifamily space. Is amazing. So I love it.
Well, it's crazy because within the group, and yes, when you first join the group, yes, you're taking so much in, but you're also learning how to give because there are so many givers. There are so many people who add value to your life. It's just, it is an amazing group. And I'm glad that you have taken over it and giving it new blood and a new focus. So tell me, what is next on the docket for House Flipping HQ?
Yeah. So we just got done. Our 7-figure event was in Boston. It was amazing. Our 6-figure event, I just got back. It was last weekend in Detroit. It was probably our best event that we've had for those guys. And it's just this renewed sense of just accomplishment and what they're doing and where they're going and vision for those guys. It's just amazing to see them. They filled me up that weekend. It was awesome. And these are like new investors that are getting going, trying to grow this company. And I could just see them leave there like focused on this mission. Like I've done those events before, and it's just crazy. So our next event is our big event that we actually sell tickets to outside of our mastermind groups. And it's open to the public. Anybody can come, and we hold it right after our 8-figure and 7-figure meetings. So all the stuff that we're talking about in the mastermind gets shared at this event. So people are updating their presentations like, oh, I just learned this other thing. Let me put it in there and dig into systems. It's detailed. It's incredible. So it's an event called Flip Hacking Live. It's in San Diego, October 10th through the 12th, right downtown San Diego. We finally moved down to this beautiful hotel. I just spent 3 days there in prep for it. I just got back yesterday, so I'm excited to be at the Hilton Bayfront. It's right there by the gas lamp overlooking Coronado. It's just an amazing location. So it's called Flip Hacking Live. That's what we do. 3 days of just kind of giving the goods. We talk about the systems. We're going to talk about marketing. We're going to talk about sales. We're going to talk about building a business, KPIs, mindset. We're bringing in a couple of keynote speakers that are just amazing at leadership. One of them is a leadership speaker named Jocko Willink. The other guy is
so exciting.
Right? Yeah. The other guy is Walter Bond. He's a previous NBA basketball player. He spoke there last year. He killed it. I mean, I laughed, I cried. I wanted to be a better dad, a better husband, a better business owner. It was just amazing hour spending time with him. So, and like a lot of our 7 and 8 figure members come on and they just dump the systems that they're doing. Like somebody's going to be talking about their exact cold calling system and exactly what it is. This is what it's not. Let me give you half and then you can go buy the other half. You should be able to leave there and implement that exact thing that's getting him 7 deals a month, extra deals a month on top of what he was doing, just by coming. So that's the goal.
Okay. For my listeners out there, if you are not, and I'm going to put a link in the show notes. If you're not clicking on this link after you listen to this program, I don't even know, because this Flip Hacking Live, it's like a catalyst. If you think that your business needs something more, or if you even think that your business is doing great and you need, like, you want to do something else, or it actually doesn't even matter where you are in your business. This is the point, that one pinpoint in your life that you'll pinpoint and you'll be like, that is when my business started taking off. Because I went to Flip Hacking Live. I went and joined this amazing group of people who are giving exactly what Bill said. They give you exactly what they do, step for step. They don't hold anything back. It's all about giving the value. And you all need to go. So Bill, before I let you go, please give my listeners all the information for Flip Hacking Live.
Okay, it's in San Diego, October 10th through the 12th. It's at the Hilton Bayfront Resort and Hotel. It is San Diego, California. It's like a $10 Uber from the airport. I just did it. So that's it. You can go. Well, FlipHackingLive.com is our main site. I think what I'm going to do for you guys, we can give them a discount. I think your listeners.
Oh, that would be awesome. So, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So what I'll do is I'll give you a link, Pili, so that you guys have it, so we can give them a couple $100 off their ticket. I don't want the ticket price to be the issue of why somebody doesn't come. Like if you're looking to get into wholesaling, flipping, buying single family type stuff, just marketing information, sales information, that kind of thing. If that's where you are in your life and you're even considering this. The other thing is, who is this for? It's for somebody who's just getting started. It's also for somebody who's doing hundreds of deals. Anybody can get something from this. It's somebody who has a W-2 job and just wants to get that little push to get going. It's somebody who's doing 4 or 5 deals and wants to do 12. It's somebody who's doing 100 and wants to do 200. Like there's something for everybody. And so I don't want the ticket price to be the issue for you not to come. I want you to be there. We also have a discount. I'll share the discount link for the hotel also. So we've got the hotel down under $200, which is pretty tough to do in San Diego. So and stay at the hotel. Like the networking and after hours stuff is just, sometimes that's a lot of where the gold is too. It's just being around the speakers. Everybody stays there. The speakers, the 6-figure members, the 7 and 8-figure members, everybody's around there. Even the keynote speakers are staying there and stuff. So,
if you think about that though, like everybody says, you should surround yourself with 6 people that are better than you. That's not how the quote is, but I can't think of it. Imagine being surrounded by hundreds of people that are doing exactly what you want to do and are of a growth mindset. Imagine if you're in that space. That is powerful. Thank you again, Bill, for coming on. Before I let you go, let my listeners know how they can get in contact with you.
Yeah, I'd say the best way for this stuff, for like Flip Hacking Live or any of that stuff, is send us an email at info@houseflippinghq.com. You can go to the websites, obviously, houseflippinghq.com, and kind of take a look at what we're doing and who we are, and should get to know me that way pretty well. Eventually, my picture will be all over there. Right now it's not, but I am running the podcast now and things like that. So, that's probably the best way. And my real estate company is Blackjack Real Estate. So you can go to blackjackre.com and check us out and, send us a message or see what we're all about there on the, you can see that I'm actually doing what I said I'm doing.
And Bill does do what he says he does. Again, thank you so much, Bill Allen, for being on. And thank you to everybody out there who joined us today. I'm so grateful. Have a great day. Bye now.
Bye.
Alpha Funding Solutions offers creative financing tailored to your individual needs. Whether you're fixing and flipping distressed properties or building ground-up construction, Alpha offers flexible financing to get the job done. With no minimum draw requirements, no prepay penalties, and no seasoning requirements, borrowers can create a construction loan that best suits their individual needs. Everything at Alpha is done in-house, from the sales force to underwriting, construction management, and draw payouts. The team at Alpha works as a unit to best serve their happy family of over 1,000 borrowers. Experience the Alpha difference today. Visit www.alphafunding.com or call 732-657-2014. Again, that's alphafunding.com, and the number is 732-657-2014. There's nothing to lose and everything to gain. Alpha Funding Solutions, the softer side of hard money.
Thanks for tuning into the REI Foundation podcast. Check back next time for more awesome tips and strategies to launch your new you in real estate.